Question number one. What's something interesting that happened to you recently? Do you have any favorite quotes or saying that inspire you? You can answer like this. Recently, I went on a spontaneous road trip with some friends and we stumbled upon a hidden gem of a beach that was so peaceful with crystal clear water and soft sand. We spent the whole day soaking up the sun and enjoying each other company. It was a much needed break from the hustle and bustle of everyday. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? In my free time, I love to read, watch movies, and spend time outdoors, whether it's hiking, camping, or just going for a walk, being in nature, and always help me recharge. Share a memorable experience. I had the opportunity to travel to Japan a few years ago and it was incredible experience. One of my favorite memories were visiting a traditional tea house in Tokyo and the atmosphere was so calming and the tea itself was delicious. Can you describe your dream job or career? My dream job would be a work as a travel writer or a photographer. I love exploring new places, sharing my experience with others, and being able to do what as a career would be a dream come true. How do you like to relax after a busy day? After a busy day, I like to wind by practicing yoga or meditation. It's helped me clear my mind and relax my body. I always wanted to learn how to play guitar, and I think it would be a fun skill to have, and I would be great for expressing myself creativity. Have you ever faced a challenge that made you stronger? Tell us about it. And one challenging phase was moving to new city where I didn't know anyone. It was tough at first, but it forced me out of my comfort zone and helped and become more independent and self-sufficient. What's one thing you are grateful for today? Today I am grateful for my health and the support of my loved ones. It's easy to take these things for granted, but they are so important for living a happy and fulfilling life. I hope you liked today's video and you learned something from it video, and if you like, comment, share, subscribe for more language learning content. I will see you soon in my next video which was going to be a